Guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a purchase from our website. Now, one of the quick things you want to do is you want to log in. Okay, even if you have not registered an account, I think you should be able to log in. Just click on it. Okay, should let you in. Just wait up. Okay. All right, so you don't even need to register. You can just directly click on login and you'll be logged in. So just stick with one email address specifically. So now that I'm logged in, now I want to do is I want to click on add to cart. Okay, and the login process is very easy. You have Facebook option and you have the other option is Google. So obviously you guys have a Facebook or a Google account, so you can immediately log in, and it's just one step process. Okay, so once you're done with that, next is you click on add to cart, and now here you're looking at your product details. Okay, this is the total of the product. Click on proceed to checkout. In the next section is where you have to fill in the billing details, your full name, your country, your house address, your postal code, your phone number, and the email address. Now, as you notice, the email address is already there. So this is very, very important. Make sure you don't make any mistakes in the email address. Make sure you don't make any mistakes in the phone number. Okay, that's where the thing is going to come. And also one quick note, in the billing details in the full name, give the student name. Don't give the parent's name. Okay, so give the student's name. And so let's just fill in the rest of the details. Okay, now that I'm here, we have multiple options, payment gateways. Razer Pay is best. Stick with Razer Pay. Click on purchase now. This should open up Razer Pay, and inside Razer Pay you just need to verify with your phone number and then make the payment. Okay, this is how it has come. The fee is there, here is there. Since I'm already a Razer Pay user, my details are also here. But if you are doing this for the first time, it will ask for a OTP verification. Just do the OTP verification. Next, if you look at it, you have the card option, the UPI option, the net banking, wallet, and pay later. You have all these options. If you click on wallet, we have at present we have these wallets. Very soon we'll be having Amazon and other wallets as well. So these are the existing wallets, but you can use UPI for most of the things. So if you click on UPI, if you already have Google Pay registered in your phone, then it will just show up here. Just all you have to do is click on Google Pay or Phone Pay or whatever it is, and click on pay. Then in your Google Pay app, you will get a notification for the payment. So you just make the payment and come back to the page, and the payment would be automatically processed. I hope you can understand. I'm going to say the same thing in Tamil. Okay, so what you have to do is, நீங்கள் இந்த பேஜ் வந்ததுக்கப்புறம் நீங்கள் யூபிஐ கிளிக் பண்ணுங்கள். நீங்கள் என்ன டிவைஸ்லேருந்து உங்கள் டிவைஸில் என்ன இருக்கோ கூகுள் பே இது இருந்ததுன்னா ஜஸ்ட் கிளிக் ஆன் திஸ். ஓகே, அண்ட் பேன்னு கிளிக் பண்ண உடனே உங்கள் கூகுள் பே ஆப்பில் ஒரு நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன் வரும். அந்த நோட்டிஃபிகேஷனை கிளிக் பண்ணி நார்மலாக எப்படி பேமெண்ட் பண்ணுவீங்களோ அந்த பேமெண்ட் பண்ணிவிட்டு திருப்பியும் இதே பேஜுக்கு வாங்க. அப்போ பேமெண்ட் ப்ராசஸ் ஆகி சக்ஸஸ்ஃபுல்லாக முடிஞ்சிடும். இட்ஸ் அ வெரி சிம்பிள் ப்ராசஸ். And once you do this, you will then receive an email on successful confirmation, and that is it. So this is how you make a purchase from our website as well as on others' website. This is the standard process for all online e-commerce. I hope this lesson was instructive. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.